Hi everyone, this is the design I done for my client, and this the photo of his front yard before. Now I'm going to explain to you how I did it. For that I need images of plants I'm going to plant, and Adobe Photoshop program. For the images I need, I get it from Digital Image Collection from Toronto Hortica Landscaping Company. Their collection have more than 600 cropped images of popular ornamental plants for North American gardens. Also, you can use your own images, but it has to be cropped. First, I'm going to start the Photoshop. Then I am going to open the image I need to editing. Then I set the image resolution to 300 to match it with the image size I am using. First, I am opening an image of cedar plant. I click on File and select the Open and go to the image file of cedar plant and open. Then I click and drag the cedar plant to the design. This is the rest of the plants I needed to my design. And I got it from my digital image collection I bought from Toronto Hortica website. Before we start the arranging the plants, I'm going to teach you the 4 basic tools of Photoshop you need to learn to do the design. First, moving an image. To do that, click on an image and drag it where you need it. Secondly, layers and arranging layers. As you can see, there are 3 plants and image of a rock here. Rock at the top and cedar plant at the back. Now I click on the cedar plant and go to the layer panel and move it to the top, then the image of the cedar plant moves to the front. Same way I can arrange any plant in front, back, and to anywhere in the middle as I needed. Third is duplicate images. To make 2 copies of cedar plant, I click on it and press Ctrl key and J key 2 times and move that 2 plants. Fourth is free transform or resize the image. First, I click on the red petunia image I need to resize and press Ctrl key and T key. Drag the corners until image reach to the size I need, then double click. Now we can arrange the plants and finish the design. First, I pick the cedar plant and make it bigger by free transforming and place it in duplicate and make 2 copies. And free transform the images to final size I need. Then I pick the dogwood and place it and resize the plant. Now I pick the globe cedar plant and place it, and bring it to the front of dogwood, using the layer panel. And I am going to resize both globe cedar and dogwood plants. Now I pick the fall cypress plant and place it. Then I pick the potato vine plant and bring it to the front of fall cypress and duplicate and set a patch of potato vine plants in the design. Now I picked a pink petunia plant and bring it to the front, resize it, and duplicate more images and make a patch of petunia. Then I select the cypress plant and duplicate it and bring it to the front of dogwood plant. Then I pick the featherweed grass, resize it, and make a group of it by duplicating the image and move the copies front and back. Now I pick the hydrangea plant, place it, and bring it to the front of grass patch. And duplicate, make a copy and move it next to the false cypress plant. Now I am going to make another group of feather regrass patch in front of false cypress plant. And now put a petunia patch around the second feather regrass patch. Now it is time to add rocks to the front, middle, and back of the design. And finally, I picked the red petunia small plant group at the front and finished the design. It is very important that if you want to make a better and practical design, you need to measure the site and get the length and depth of the area we are going to plan. And draw a scale sketch and get an idea of actual size of the site. Again, I want to mention that the cropped images I used in this design got from the Digital Image Collection from Toronto Hortica. It has more than 600 popular annuals and perennials growing in North American gardens. You can buy it from visiting www.torontohortica.com. Thanks for watching.